It's day 14! Day 14! Woohoo! Oh my gosh, 2 weeks on the elemental diet! Hooray! Oh my god, I can't quite believe I made it. Yeah, it's a really exciting feeling. It's really exciting to know that it's all coming to an end as well, and I'm not doing a 3rd week. So here's to my final full day on the elemental diet. I'm back from taking the dog for a walk, and I'm very excited that I've got my stock on, or my broth on. I have made a beautiful chicken broth. So I'll strain it and just drink clear broth to start with before adding some really finely shredded meat. But I can't wait. I just can't wait. It smells good already. Yeah. Here's to starting to taste something other than the elemental diet. Here's to something that tastes savoury. Yay! I can't tell you how good this smells. My soup, my stock, and my broth is bubbling away there. I've literally just been standing by it, smelling it. Oh, already the colour is incredible, and it's only been cooking for about half an hour. According to the GAPS protocol, you cook your broth for about 2.5 to 3 hours. So I'm going to do that. Then I'll strain the liquid, so it's just plain liquid with nothing in it. And then I'll shred all of the meat off the chicken. The dog's losing his mind because chicken is his favourite animal to eat, and all he can smell is chicken, so he's desperate for me to give him a little bit of this. So he's going to get some of the giblets that I put in there. It's going to be so good. So good. Getting my stock and my broth and my future soups ready. Look at all this beautiful chicken and all my broth. And even the dog has got a beautiful dinner. He's so excited. I can't wait. I've just finished prepping all the chicken. So I've got all the chicken bones in one container, which I'll use for a stock, 2 containers of chicken meat, a big bowl of glorious chicken broth. There's nothing in it. I've just strained it, so it's just the liquid, which is going to be so healing for my gut. And then the little dog, who's been waiting patiently, has a bowl of chicken, rice and veggies and a whole container of chicken, rice and veggies to eat at another stage. He is going to think all his Christmases have come at once. Well, here we go, guys. It's the night of day 14, and I've decided I'm going to have some of this beautiful broth. I've been smelling it all afternoon, and it smells amazing. So here is the very first thing I'm having in 14 days other than the elemental diet. And I wanted you to share the first sips with me. Oh. Savoury. So this is my broth with my milking yard chicken, and I've strained out all the vegetables, so I've just got broth and just a really small amount of really well cooked chicken in it. It's the best tasting broth I've ever had in my life, I reckon. I've just finished that bowl of chicken broth and a little tiny bit of shredded chicken in it. I can't tell you guys how good that was. Just to chew again was amazing. I took every mouthful so slowly. I chewed all the little tiny bits of chicken until they were just mush. Dog's in the background playing a silly game. So now I just wait and see how my gut goes. I'm going to take one motility activator and hope for the best. So turn on, little gut, turn on. It's time to work again.